Spain: 40 people died, many others injured following collision between two high-speed trains. In Spain, at least 40 people have died and many others have been injured following a collision between two high-speed trains in the southern part. According to the rail network operator, the incident happened near the town of Adamus when a high-speed train derailed and crashed onto a neighboring track. A second train traveled in the opposite direction also derailed. Emergency services said at least 73 people were seriously injured as rescue crews continued to remove people trapped in the derailed carriages. Emergency crews worked through the night to rescue survivors and recover bodies from the wreckage, which officials described as a mass of twisted metal. More than 40 people remain hospitalized, some in critical condition. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez declared 3 days of national mourning as authorities launched an investigation into the cause, which remains unclear. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.